Let's see if what I'm saying is true. Boom. Oh, snap. And then the light goes on. For those who don't know, I work for a company called Autel. I used to be a dealership technician for a number of years. A lot of the videos that I was making on my channel were Porsche related because I worked at a dealership. I was surrounded by cool Porsches all the time. So about 2.5 years ago now, I switched to work with a scan tool company. We make scan tools, we make tire pressure monitoring sensors, and it's kind of neat. So I get random stuff in the mail sometimes, and we're gonna open it. I know I got an email saying what was in here, but I kind of forgot. So we're gonna open it together. So right now, as of right now, I have no idea what's in here. I think it's some connectors. I think I'm honestly not sure. So I'm gonna grab a razor blade and let's figure it out. So yeah, I basically, instead of working in a garage 9 to 5 every day, I travel the country and I do sales training and product knowledge for our TPMS diagnostic tools, as well as our universal TPMS sensors. So it looks like, what do we have here? Oh, sweet, a digital inspection camera. So this is actually, so if you have a scanner, if you have an Autel scanner, like let's say this MS906 right here, Pro TS, okay? This is a full-blown bidirectional scan tool that also happens to have TPMS capabilities, so it can program our universal sensors. What's kind of neat though, is in this tool, there's actually an ability to use it as a borescope. So for those of you who don't know what a borescope is basically a camera on a stick with some kind of bendable wire that you can put in places that your normal camera or eyes can't go. The most common way this is used, and the reason why it's called a borescope, is because it is meant to inspect the inside of a engine cylinder, right? Inspect the top of a piston. Okay, so you can see if the inside of your cylinder walls are scored, or see if you have damage to your piston. All you would do is remove your spark plug, shove this camera down there, it's got a light on it, and you can inspect the cylinder walls for damage. And so if you've got a drivability issue and a misfire, and you're suspecting, some internal engine damage, causing low compression or something like that, this is a great tool that you can just, again, shove down the spark plug hole and inspect your cylinder walls. It's got a little cover, but this is a camera right here on the end of this thing. That is a tiny camera, holy jeez. There's no way you're gonna see that, but I mean, this thing is small, like surprisingly small, which is kind of neat because that just means you'll be able to put it into places that, and it doesn't have to be used just for cylinders. Yeah, like if you got something like on the back of the engine, maybe you've got like a coolant leak and it's like way the heck back there and you can't really get eyes on it. This just plugs USB into your tablet. Let's see here. Like that. Boom. Oh, snap. And then the light goes on. And then, oh no, let's see, let's test it out. Let's see if what I'm saying is true. Oh, here we go. So here's a tool. There's a purple app. It's called Maxi Video. Hit that, and boom, here you go. So here's my screen, and there's the car in my garage. Hey. So if you didn't know that your Autel tool could be used as a borescope, now you know. All right, let's see what else I got. All right, up next. Oh, I guess we got two. Got another one. I think they're the same. Apparently, we've got an MV105S, and we've got an MV108S. The 105 was the one that I just showed you. This is the 108. Let's see what the differences are. And this one looks a little beefier, to be honest. It's got a bigger cover. Oh yeah, and the camera's bigger. So remember how tiny the other one was? This one's actually a little bit beefier. Not sure what the difference is as far as performance. It just seems like, I don't know, maybe like a little bit stronger. Maybe it has some extra capabilities. I haven't really done a whole lot of research on these. But yeah, This is kind of cool. I've got like a whole shelf full of stuff, so we can go through some more things later. But yeah, this is my MS906 Pro TS. If you want some more information on this guy, let me know. I'm a big tool collector. As you can see, I got a big toolbox here. And now I've got Autel tools to share with y'all. I got an even bigger one back here. Right, I got them all plugged in. So little by little, I want to start making more videos where we demonstrate some of these tools and what they do and what their functions are, and give you guys some tips and tricks on how to fully utilize your tool investment here, okay? Feel free to join the channel, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and so that way I can keep making videos like this to teach you guys out there the best ways to take advantage of your Autel tools. Okay. Thanks for watching.